Hi everyone, I'm Kevin, the Technical Manager at CCL Components. Today we're looking at SolarEdge Residential S-Series Power Optimizers and the backwards compatibility with P-Series optimizers. For those who aren't familiar, SolarEdge Power Optimizers are DC to DC converters that connect directly to solar panels. Their main job is to maximize energy output by tracking the maximum power point. Doing this job locally to the panel provides an advantage over inverter level tracking, as it allows each panel to operate at peak performance despite environmental conditions such as shade, dirt, damage or degradation of the panel. The S-Series optimizers are the latest versions from SolarEdge, offering an added safety feature called Sense Connect. This safety feature detects thermal events in connectors, allowing for early intervention to prevent potential faults such as arcing. If a connector fault is detected, the inverter will automatically stop energy production. Today we're looking at backwards compatibility with the S-Series residential range. So when might you need to use an S-Series alongside a P-Series optimizer? Well, you may come across a SolarEdge installation with an optimizer that has been damaged and needs replacing. The existing system may be fitted with P-Series optimizers and you may only have S-Series optimizers available to you. In this case, replacing one or even a few optimizers in a string with S-Series is possible, but is dependent upon matching the correct models. Luckily, SolarEdge have created compatibility charts for their optimizers, showing which ones will work together. And it's essential to consult these tables before starting any replacement work. We'll have the links to these tables in the video description. A couple of things to remember if mixing S and P series optimizers. First, Sense Connect will only work with direct connections of the S-Series optimizer being replaced. Replacing one optimizer will not upgrade the whole string. And second, the S-Series come with shorter input cables over the P-Series, so adjusting the existing cables may be needed when replacing, which is good to know before you get on site. So what if you need to install a large number of S-Series alongside P-Series optimizers? In this case, it's best to keep the P and S-Series optimizers on separate strings. Again, always check with the compatibility table before installing or replacing any SolarEdge optimizers. This will allow you to have consistent safety features throughout each connected string. Also, before replacing or upgrading optimizers, make sure to check your inverter's firmware. It's important to update your inverter to the latest firmware to ensure compatibility with any new optimizers you add in the system. Lastly, always remember to check and follow the latest installation guidelines when working with SolarEdge products. Staying up to date with these guidelines will help ensure the safety and compatibility of any system you're working on. If you're new to SolarEdge, visit the online SolarEdge Academy for detailed training and resources that cover everything you need to know, including customer sales advice, design, installation, and ongoing maintenance. We've included links to all the relevant documents in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Finally, if you've mixed SolarEdge optimizers in the past, what challenges did you face? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and remember, the CCL team are here to help you with your next project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.